that there. I'll make a video eating whatever this is. Okay, it's for you, Amy. First, I'm gonna start with this, cause I know you're gonna love that. Okay, let me get it. Damn. Oh god, this is not gonna be cute. Okay. This is disgusting. What is this? It's like fish. Alright. I guess this is spaghetti. When do the Japanese put spaghetti in their... Alright, whatever. Okay. One piece of sausage or Canadian bacon. Okay. This tastes fantastic! Kind of. Alright. Broccoli. I'm gonna get some ranch. If I have any. Which I don't. Whatever. It's Amy. We're like that. I'm gonna dip this in this fish paste for you. Yeah. Get right in there. Oh yeah. Dipped. Right there. Okay. Oh, this is better. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Yummy. Oh god. Yummy. Okay. I don't know what this is, but I guess it's like seaweed. Something. Okay. Not bad. Huh. A little sour though. Okay. Which one? Oh yay! Tomato! Yummy! Okay. Ah! Okay, just gonna get like sushi, yummy. I guess this is good. Shit, whatever. It's okay. For sushi. I don't know what the hell this is. But you know, Amy, we're like Ian and Anthony. High five. Alright, no. Not bad. Okay. One more. Chicken. Where do they put chicken in sushi stuff? This makes no sense. Yummy fish paste. Pretty good. So I'm gonna clean off my hands. Alright. Now I'll show you I'm not gonna eat the fish paste later, because that stuff was nasty.